Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the essentials. Enable Wi-Fi and location so the app can discover networks immediately. Once done, install Wifi Master and allow the permissions it asks for location and network access, because the app needs them to scan. Next, open the app, tap Scan, and watch the list populate. Choose a hotspot showing strong signal bars. Do this now so you move from setup into a real connection attempt without delay. You now focus on the detailed connection steps. Pick a hotspot with high signal and a verified tag when available, because reliability matters. Then tap Connect and follow any credential prompts. If the network uses shared passwords, accept them only when you trust the source. Make sure to enable Auto Connect for locations you reuse and adjust frequency preference. Pick 5 GHz for speed or 4 GHz for range. These choices optimize. You finish by validating the link. Run a speed test and save the hotspot to favorites if it performs well, because that expedites next visits. Make sure the app is up to date and clear its cache if behavior seems odd, as stale data can block connections. If you still can't connect, restart your device, reauthorize required permissions, and forget the network, then reconnect. This single troubleshooting step often fixes authentication or IP conflicts quickly, so try it first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.